Welcome to our ultimate guide on Ofloxacin eye drops. Eye infections can be frustrating and sometimes even painful, but today we're diving into a solution that many people rely on: Ofloxacin eye drops. In this video we'll explain everything you need to know: what Ofloxacin is, how it works, what infections it treats, the best ways to use it, and essential precautions. If you're looking to clear up an eye infection fast, you're in the right place. Stay tuned. So let's start with the basics. Ofloxacin is a broad-spectrum antibiotic that belongs to the fluoroquinolone family. These eye drops are designed specifically to combat bacterial infections in the eye. Ofloxacin works by targeting bacteria directly, breaking down the DNA structures within bacterial cells, and ultimately stopping their spread. It's a powerful and efficient tool for eye health. Ofloxacin is commonly used to treat a variety of bacterial eye infections. Here's a quick breakdown of the key conditions it targets. Conjunctivitis, or pink eye, is a highly contagious infection that can cause redness, discharge, and irritation. Ofloxacin is effective in treating bacterial conjunctivitis, helping to alleviate discomfort and clear up the infection. Next, we have keratitis, an infection that inflames the cornea, the transparent front part of the eye. If left untreated, keratitis can lead to vision impairment, making ofloxacin a critical option for relief and recovery. Ofloxacin is also effective in treating corneal ulcers, which are painful open sores that develop on the cornea. Corneal ulcers require prompt treatment to avoid long-term damage, and ofloxacin's antibiotic properties make it ideal for these cases. If any of these conditions sound familiar, don't wait to seek treatment. Always consult your doctor for guidance on whether ofloxacin is the right option for you, and if you're finding this information helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated on essential eye health tips. So how exactly does ofloxacin work to fight these infections? Ofloxacin targets bacterial cells directly. It disrupts the DNA replication process, essentially stopping bacteria from multiplying and allowing the body's immune system to clear away the remaining cells. This powerful action makes ofloxacin a go-to for many doctors when it comes to bacterial infections in the eye. To get the best results, it's essential to know how to use ofloxacin eye drops correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide. Start by washing your hands thoroughly to avoid introducing new bacteria into the eye. Tilt your head back and gently pull down the lower eyelid to create a small pocket. Hold the bottle above your eye and squeeze out one drop into the pocket. Avoid letting the dropper tip touch your eye or any surface. Close your eye gently for a minute to allow the drop to spread evenly. Avoid blinking or rubbing your eye. Remember, always follow your doctor's instructions for dosage, and if you're interested in learning more about eye health, hit the like button and share this video with friends who might benefit. Dosage typically varies depending on the severity of the infection. Generally, doctors recommend applying ofloxacin eye drops every 2 to 4 hours for the first 2 days, then reducing to 4 times daily for the remainder of the treatment. Following the prescribed duration is important, even if you start feeling better, as this helps prevent antibiotic resistance. Like any medication, ofloxacin may cause side effects. Common side effects include a mild stinging sensation, temporary blurred vision, or a feeling of discomfort. These typically clear up within a few minutes. However, if you experience more serious symptoms like swelling, eye pain, or an allergic reaction, stop using the drops and consult a healthcare professional immediately. To wrap up, ofloxacin eye drops are a reliable option for tackling bacterial eye infections. Always use them as directed by your healthcare provider and stay informed about potential side effects. If this video has been helpful, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth health guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to share this with anyone who could benefit. Thanks for watching, and take care of your eyes.